Hello everyone! Today we'll guide you through connecting Payhip to MailerLite. Check the description below for a link to a free trial. For those already using MailerLite, simply log in and follow along with us. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to connect MailerLite and Payhip. On your Zapier dashboard, click Create and select Zaps. If you need assistance, the Copilot feature can help. From the list, choose both MailerLite and Payhip. Then select the trigger events for each on the right-hand side. To connect your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log in. Repeat this process to sign into your Payhip account, entering your Payhip email and password when prompted. Once you've configured all your settings, click Publish, and you're all set. If you want to quickly grow your email list and earn high-ticket commissions, I have a free training program linked in the description below. It's completely free and easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.